What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Just thought I'd throw out a question here for the car community. Something fun there is what's on your car's Christmas list for this year? Has it been a good car all year round, or has it been a bad car all year round to the point where it doesn't even deserve to have any modifications thrown at it? So I know the STI back here on its Christmas list, it wanted side skirts and a rear diff brace, and in the fine print down at the very bottom it said it'd like to have a big brother in the form of a C6 Z06. Now, I don't know what that's all about, but I don't know if Santa Claus is going to be able to make that happen or not. We'll just have to see how that goes. Also, it'd probably like to have some more power mods, but it just got a whole bunch of those this spring, so I think that's just going to have to wait. You know, like I say, just something fun there. If you're wanting some specific mods for Christmas or doing something specific for the holidays to your car, just curious as to what everybody's doing. If you're modding some bikes, that's interesting also. Like I say, just leave a comment below there if you got something specific going on or cool, and we'll catch you in the next one.